let's take a few minutes and examine how the power flows through the New Holland round baler. So we've talked about our Category 6 PTO shaft. We have a slip clutch depending upon what style of baler you buy, whether it's dry hay or silage or super feed or crop cut. But it all goes into a right angle gearbox. And from the right angle gearbox goes through a shaft, comes over here to the left hand side of the baler. And all the power comes out the left hand side. We come to a triple sprocket. The inner chain comes down and drives my starter roll. The middle chain goes up and drives the drive roll for the belts. And the outside chain on the left hand side comes down and runs basically the floor roll.